Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's Sashi Talk series, I am going to share the review about these night suits which I have purchased recently from Amazon. So these are the feeding night suits. So if you are a new mom, then you can check out these night suits. These are really good. And also, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So first thing is, this night suit is from the brand Zeyo, and the MRP rate is around 2499, but in Amazon it's available for 999. That's 1000 rupees. So I just got two set of night suits. The first one is dark navy blue one with pink stars in it. So this was really cute. The print is really nice and the quality is also really good, and it comes along with the pant. So it is a complete set, a top and a pant, and it's really good, and the fit is also awesome. It fits perfectly, and it's so soft, and it has a zipper at the center. The zipper also is a kind of invisible zipper. So overall I like this particular piece, and it's really good. So I just purchased medium size. So as you can see now, at the center we have a zip over here. So I have also washed this particular suit. So I have also purchased two t-shirts separately, and that was also really good. It's kind of same material, and I have washed it also. It's really good even after the wash. So this is how the zipper. So the next set is a blue pant along with a mustard yellow top. So this is the pant, and this is the top, which is mustard yellow, and it has the stars on it, and it has motherhood printed on the top. So this is how the zipper would be. It's like invisible, and it's really nice. So the quality of this product is really good. So if you are someone looking for this, you can just try out this. I leave the link in the description. You can go and check it out. So they have an Instagram page also. You can go and check out their Instagram page to purchase this product. Thanks for watching.